Welcome back again. This is Leah from Codilar. Today we will explore setting up a multi-store environment in Magento 2. We'll cover creating a website, a store and store views, allowing you to manage multiple storefronts easily. In Magento 2, websites, store and store views are the building blocks of a flexible multi-store architecture. Let's delve into what each of these means and how they come together to create tailored shopping experience. First, let's see what's a website. A website is the highest level of the hierarchy in Magento 2's multi-store setup. Each website represents a distinct domain or brand, allowing you to manage multiple online identities. A website includes one or more stores and sets the default attributes shared across those stores. For instance, if you create an online fashion store and a separate electronics store, each could be a website. Next, let's see what's a store. A store is the next level in the hierarchy and resides within the website. Stores allow you to categorize products and tailor the user experiences. A store includes multiple store views and share some attributes with the other store within the same website. Continuing the example, your fashion store could have separate stores for women's clothing and men's clothing. Now, let's proceed to create a store within the new website. Click on the new website. In the All Store section, click on the newly created website. Add a new store, click on the Create Store. Provide the store's name, code and select the website you created earlier. Select the root category that will serve as the starting point for your store. Click Save Store to create the new store. We have now understood what is a website and what is a store. Now let's see what is a store view. Store views provide most granular level customization in your multi-store setup. A store view represents a specific presentation of your store, catering to different languages or regions. Each store view has its own attributes such as language, currency, and design, offering a tailored experience. For the women's clothing store, you could have store views for English and Spanish, each with its own language and design. Lastly, let's set up store views to customize the front-end appearance. Navigate back to the All Store section. Click on the New Store. Click on Create New Store View. Provide the store view's name, code and select the store you created earlier. Select the locale that corresponds to the language of the store view. Click Save Store View to create the new store view. Now you can see the newly created store view. So, websites hold stores and store has many store views. This setup suits different business models like separate brands, diverse regions or localized experiences. Plus, you can flexibly share or vary attributes across levels in your multi-store setup. Now, let's configure the URLs to each store view to distinguish them. Go to Stores, select the configuration, choose the store view in the upper left corner which you want to configure. In the sidebar, expand Web section. Now, set the base URLs for the store view, including the secure and unsecure URLs. Now, click on Save Configuration to apply the changes. In summary, understanding websites, stores and store views in Magento 2 allows you to manage different identities, customize experiences and engage diverse audience effectively. This flexible setup empowers you to create unique shopping journey. By following these steps, you have established a multi-store environment, letting you to oversee various websites, stores and store views and provide tailored shopping experiences for your customers. Until we meet again, enjoy crafting unique shopping moments.